This isn't going to be a very long river. Taking the day off from home and coming down with my son, and we're on the river enjoying a beautiful day. Watching Mama Otter here and her babies catch fish. There they are right over there. She's got 3 or 4 babies. Boy, they're right here. There they are. It's a family of otters catching fish. Mom and her babies. Oh, right there. Oh my gosh. Isn't that cool? Isn't that so cool? Wow, man, this is awesome. Oh, the bubbles. They're right here. They're catching fish. Oh, there they are. Dude, it's so cool. Huh? I'll do a video. Put on YouTube and show your friends this cool river. Otters are right there on the bank. They're chasing fish. Look at that. This is so cool. He's videoing it too. It's a long ways away too.
Not a bad day at all, though.
No. Huh? Oh, nice! Dawson ran into the bushes. Ah, that's funny. I'm trying to hold the camera and go through with one hand. Look at this. I didn't crash into the... Dawson ran into the bushes right there. That's funny. All right, I gotta put the camera down so I can row. I should remember my helmet. Well, we're almost to the ocean. Well, we're close. You can hear it's right on the rise over there, but a lot of snowy. You can't go here because the signs say snowy plover. He's nesting. So we gotta give him lots of room to nest. So he can chase his woman around on all the sand. Oh, it's pretty. All right, now we gotta portage around this reservoir. This is a portage. We gotta get out and take our canoes, our kayaks up this ramp. Yeah, you can do it that way. You might fall off. We might get to see Austin drown here. Watch this. Hold on. Hold on. I'll show you. Wait, Cal, let Harry take off. Alright, we gotta get out of here. Alright, I gotta turn the camera off. Okay, uh-oh. Shoot, hold it. Made her. Didn't tip over, that's good.